All right, gang, we're gonna try something here. If you can see over the water, there's a spinnerbait I lost last trip, and there's a hornet's nest up there, but that's just trying to make this more dramatic. So I'm gonna climb out on this tree, try to cut the limb, the Saker mini chainsaw, pull the branch down, and then get my spinnerbait back. That's my lucky spinnerbait. So hopefully if you're seeing this video, that means I was successful. If not, then please call 911 or the EMS. So all right, here goes nothing. I'm gonna try not to fall in the water, but this will be fun. I'll keep the camera rolling. So it's actually on that branch right there. So I don't know how heavy that branch is. I just don't want to fall. I'm in pretty good here. I'm gonna scoot up a little more. So this is the branch I gotta cut. Now it looks like it's attached here too, so I don't know. Let's just play around with this, see what happens. Do the Saker mini chainsaw. All right, I don't want this to fall, so I can't get it. I'm just gonna do this a little. I pinched it a little, which is all right. All right, that's how I wanted it. So it's hanging there. I don't want it to fall in the water. I mean, I guess I could retrieve it. See what happens. Pretty heavy. I think it's lodged on the other one. I see the lure. I gotta swing this out. One more. All right, let me try it with the other hand. It's on the other side of this branch. Alright, let's just, I think I'm balanced pretty good, as long as this tree doesn't break. Getting there. The whole key is for this knot to fall in the water, so I can't get it. Got a hold of this thing. I mean, it's loose now. All right, let me lodge it in there. Saker to the rescue. I'm gonna climb back without falling in the water. Things we do for YouTube. I don't want to let go of this thing. If I pull this around, I think I got it. All right, got it wedged in there. I didn't fall yet. Hanging over the edge. This little branch. All right, I think I got this. Just gotta be careful on this thing. All right, I'm gonna put the saw down. I think the lure's right there. All right, I'm gonna step back without falling. I think I'm on solid ground. Caught on this other branch. I don't have to go on the other one. All right. Coming back. All right, let's see if we did this. See how this was wrapped. It was wrapped on here. And it caught the trailer hook. Not too bad. Let's redo this. Little bent, but worth the effort. So there's the branch. It was hanging over the water, and I climbed out this tree, branch of this tree, and I didn't fall in. So, all right, success. Now we can go get a pike. Thanks. If you're interested, and I'm not being paid, I'll put a link in the description to the Saker mini chainsaw. Might be something you'll take fishing next time. Came in handy for me. All right, thanks everyone. There you go. Got me a spinnerbait.